Okay, so today we're going to be starting to take apart the Brinly 3-point plow to get it painted up. And this is the one I bought from the PE Plow Day. And it's time to get it sanded up and painted so it looks better. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is taking it apart. So it's not in too bad a shape, it just needs to be, cleaned up and repainted and should look nice. So just a quick look here again. So yeah, we're going to start taking it apart today, so get you set up here, so I hope you enjoy. So first thing we're going to do here is get the depth gauge wheel off, because that's kind of what's making it, as you can see, lean a little bit because it's heavy. So it's not going to be too bad to get that off. Right now I'm just going to take the wheel itself off because I kind of have to anyway. There we go. That should help a little bit for weight. That's going to be kind of fun to stand that. I'm going to get the nut back on. Is there washers that came off with that? Oh yeah, there was. Better put that back there. Don't mean to lose that. The lock washer actually. Just roughly started. And next thing is going to be this, the thing that holds the depth wheel. So these are going to be fun. But might as well start from the back and work your way to the front, I guess. There we go, that helps if you go the right direction. I kind of did that on purpose actually, to loosen it, because you never know. This is actually a breaker bar, not really meant for doing this, but it's better than using an adjustable wrench in some cases. Alright, that one's off, and just stick that right there, because I'm going to put that back on. Loosen it up by breaking it the other direction. I've done that a few times, it does seem like it works, so why not? That one was a lot easier to get off, which is good. Now remember that those two go on there. Now, this is welded. Just seems like it. Alright. Taking some weight off of it, it still wants to lean. Which I think I know why it's doing that. Probably has to do with the thing with the coupler on the front. That's not good. I'm gonna drop that. Alright, so next thing's gonna be, I'm gonna just take this loose. Just up like that. If I can't see what I'm doing, I'm just loosening the two nuts that hold this on there. I'm pretty sure the frame on here is all welded together. Like right here in the middle, it's welded together, so it's up here in the front. So it's actually not going to come all the way apart. But that's alright, because it's less than it put back together. So pull this off. really to these plows. I mean, there is, but not really as much as you would think. Now, is that going to come out easily? Doesn't seem like it's going to, so I'm going to put the nuts back on. Just sort of flush right there. I'm going to put the nuts back on there so you don't damage the threads. We don't need that. Definitely don't need that. I mean, since this is just a rubber mallet, I can really gently tap it. That should be alright. So, grab a screwdriver here. Long-ish screwdriver. And we're going to try to I don't recommend doing it this way, but I don't really know how else to figure it out. Gently tap it each direction. Really gently. There you go. That's off. Put the nuts and everything back on here. Too bad shape. This time I'm trying to keep all the nuts and everything that goes on each thing together. Just don't want to lose it. Because that would not be good. At all. So, I think the next thing is going to be taking this off. So, let's say it's these. Yep. I'm just going to reposition here, so I'll be right back. Okay, so well, you can see it's still really front heavy, which I have a feeling it's because of this. So I'm going to get that problem solved right now. I'm kind of glad none of these are really tight, which is kind of odd actually that they're not, but maybe they're not supposed to be. I don't know. That's almost the limit of what this thing can handle here. I don't even need my other sockets at all, the blue one sitting there on the floor. I might need that a little bit. Honestly, this breaker bar is not too bad. It does the job, and like I said, it's better than using a wrench. Let's have it go the right direction after all. Well, there we go. Just gonna reach in and get it. This should come off. This is gonna be really sketchy out here actually, because it's gonna try to fall off. I don't want to lose any of these. You can see all the rust falling off into the floor probably, which is expected. I'm not sure if I'm going to start saying this today or not, but it doesn't matter for you guys because you're not going to know until the video's out. So, that's off. I bet that's probably a better way off. With that. Anyway. Oh, that's interesting. That's loose too. Okay, so now we're going to try and get this off. What is that? Which probably the best way to do that is going to be grabbing one of these.
'Cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Sometimes impact would be nice, but as you saw from taking the 54 blade apart, my impact is not that great. It's only good, it's really meant for screws. I'm just gonna leave those on the floor for this current time. There's a bunch of grime and everything on here. That's the reason why it's not fitting quite correctly. I suspected that. What size is this? 3/4? Okay. And then we'll get these off the rest of them. I kind of figured I need the wrench at some point. Oops. That's alright. This thing can take the juice, I hope. I'm gonna try spin these. I'm using both the Canon and the GoPro. I decided to do something, try something different with two different angles. Because why not? That way you can see more, even though they're both on the same side right now. That's alright. What if I see more than the other one? You never know. I can't really tell, especially with the GoPro, because it's not got its own screen. I have my phone out here so I can see it, but I don't have that up right now, so I don't know what it's looking at completely. I still have an idea whenever I set it up, but I don't know right now, so. Oh boy, that's a lot of rust. That's an extreme amount of rust, that's not good. You can see, there's a lot more rust than I thought it was. That's not good. Completely a good thing. So what else is holding that on? Nothing. Except for, who knows how many years of dirt. This thing probably hasn't been cleaned since it was put together, new. So that means never. There we go. This is going to be a fun thing to put back together again, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to reposition you guys again, and I'm probably going to turn the GoPro off for now, because we don't really need it for this part. So, just stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna get this taken off and the rest of this off, so that can be really sanded up well. Might as well do it right if we're gonna do it, you know? But yeah, this thing's gonna be really fun to get back together. Kind of a good thing about recording it, that way you can just go back and look, and hopefully, you know, be able to figure it out. Maybe when I put that together, I'll have to live stream it or something, that way you can tell me. I had to suspect that I was going to do this. Oh, never mind. It's starting to turn on the other side here. I'm kind of holding it with my hand.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
There we go. Put that back in there. Put that back in there. There's enough hardware on here and dirt, which will be gone, and as soon as it hits the dirt, it's going to be back again anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. But it is a plow, so what are you going to do? Put this guy back in. As much dirt as I expected to come off of this thing, actually. But I'm probably not going to sand this today because I'm going to wait to get the air sander working again. It works, obviously, still, because it's new, but I don't have the compressor here to use it. So that's kind of hard. Sorry about my arm. And yeah, I kind of need the compressor to, you know, use the sander, but the compressor's not here because it's at a job, so that's really tight. That might not come off. It's moving. Sorry if my hand's in the way, I just gotta get some more leverage on it. Yeah, there's no way my drill would have been able to take these off. It's, like I said from that, when you saw me taking apart the 54 blade, it's not that great of a drill for, it's not really an impact, it's just, you know, for putting big screws and lag bolts in. It does good for that, but not this stuff. So I got to invest in air impact because it would take these things right off. But sometimes doing it by hand is better because you get to see how everything is working. Like, you know, coming off. Plus, if you're using an air impact and you're stripping something, you're not going to really know. Because it just, you know, takes it off. There's a lot of crow in this one, wow. This is the closest one to the dirt. Or in the dirt.
Doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't
there's no lockdown on those. That's kind of different. So, oh, almost lost you. You were kind of sitting on that. That's a lot lighter now. So, trying to back you guys out. Oh, you are already. So we're gonna get this out. Why is this being so stubborn? As it wants to be. Alright, I'm gonna get this out and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got everything off as you saw. And this is where I was putting it. Up on the bench. And down on the floor. But yeah, that's pretty much all for that for today. It didn't take too long, I don't think, to take apart. Maybe half an hour or so. Maybe, roughly. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And there's the pile of stuff on the floor from it. Not really as much as I thought it would be. Oh, lock nut. I think I know where that goes. I saw it. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'll figure it out here soon. Just watch the video back and I'll probably see where it goes. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and thanks for watching.